Start.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of what is symbiosis from the subject of biology. What is symbiosis? I will say you with an example. It doesn't have any statement. I will say with an example. Algae plus fungi is equals to lichens. And another example, rhizobium plus pulses plants is equals to symbiotic relationship. Okay, first we will take an first example only. Algae give nutrients to the fungi. Fungi give shelter to the algae. By combining these two, we will get the lichens. I am saying again. Algae give nutrients to fungi and fungi give shelter to algae. By combining these two, we will get the lichens. And another one, rhizobium plus pulses plants. Rhizobium is a bacteria. But why rhizobium plus pulses plants only? That too is equals to symbiotic relationship. What is the meaning of symbiotic? Symbiotic means the relationship of two. Two organisms. The relationship of two organisms. These are two organisms. This is the symbiotic relationship. These are two organisms. This is the symbiotic relationship. Okay, you understood what is a symbiotic. Then rhizobium is a bacteria which is present in the crops and the pulses plants. See, this is the soil and this is the pulses plant. This is a pulses plant and these are its roots. And this is the rhizobium. It gives growth to the plants. It is a bacteria. But by that bacteria, the proteins come to the plant. In the rhizobium, not only proteins, the nitrogen also there. Plants need nitrogen to survive. They need oxygen to breathe but survive. Carbon dioxide they breathe. But nitrogen, it helps in surviving. So, rhizobium helps like that. Plus pulses plant. This is the pulses plant. This is the rhizobium. By adding these two, what is symbiotic? Relationship of two organisms. We get symbiotic relationship. This is called the symbiosis. I think you understand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends.